Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Happening? What's happening? What's good?
In this video, we got that what? That weekly
Weekly
heat,
heat.
baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Yes,
So
sir.
before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know we're trying to get to 100 likes.
That's it. That's it. That's 100. That's all we want. We want 100.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So these shoes are coming out from 9 to the 15th of February. So this is one of the hottest weeks here. As you know, this is also the All-Star weekend. So the NBA is releasing some special pairs of basketball shoes. These are called the Black Collection. We're not going to go fully in detail with these, but just to know that Nike will be having a special all black colorways from LeBron, Wemby, Antetokounmpo, Booker, Sabrina, KD, and John Morant. And there's this collection is called the Black Label. I don't think I ever seen these before, but let me know down in the comments if you know what this Black Label is all about. But these are predominantly going to be all basketball shoes releasing on the 14th of February, and they're going to all be different price points. So if you're interested, check out the sneakers app on the 14th. You want to cop those. But moving on to February the 13th, we do have a Kobe 6 All-Star 2.0. This does come at a retail price of $190. Now, what's interesting about this Kobe 6 right here is they did something a little different. As you know, the Kobe's normally have the snake skin or the mamba. And if you look on the outside where the swoosh is, it gradually fades into some stars. And so basically on the outer part of the shoe, you do have stars that kind of like fade into the Kobe snakeskin. I do think that's an interesting touch. Let me know down in the comments if you like this, being that this is considered an all-star shoe. The predominantly of the shoe is all white, and it does have black hits throughout. As you see on the side of the shoe, we do see that Nike black swoosh. And looking down at the toe box, we do see that Mamba stealth symbol on the toe. Moving around to the back, it's kind of light, but usually there's some type of Mamba signature on the back of the heel. I know in this picture it's kind of hard to see. And then at the bottom of the shoe, it's all white as well with that regular traction that we see on the normal Kobe's. We do see that shank plate in the middle as well as that stealth logo in black. Overall, I think this is a clean shoe. I can see these rocking these in the spring or summer. I am a fan of the Kobe's and I will be rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm a Kobe fan as well. It's a nice, clean shoe. Not only could you wear it, you know, on the basketball court, but you can also sport these, in casual wear. And I agree with you 100% with it's a spring shoe. So I will be rocking those as well. I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on April the 14th, which is Valentine's Day, we do have Air Jordan 1 High 85 bread coming out. And the same day, they are drop a toddler's pair as well, Infinite Toddlers, aka Babies. Price point for those is 75. But these 85 bread, they going for a price point of 250. 250. And right now, there's rumors out there that they go limit how many pair they drop. Right now, there's a rumor out there they only go drop 10,000 pair of these shoes, right? But then here's the kicker, though: it's only going to 23 stores, right? So with Jordan Brand said, "Hey, my numbers, 2, 3, so we only go drop them in 23 stores." This shoe, hey, they kept it the same. You know what I'm saying? The original colorway. They ain't do anything special with it. They just made it from scratch. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those because I am a fan of the ones, right? So I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. I am a fan of the OGs. This is a 95 cut. If you haven't done so already, go and check out that video from Unbreakable Kicks. As you know, he did get his pair from a store called Success. So the problem with this release is each store gets to do their own thing. So like in Success, the way they did this is basically like friends and family. So he got a personal invite to come check out the shoes and basically try them on. Of course, he's a big YouTuber, and I applaud him for being able to get his shoes. But he did have to pay retail price of $250. So him and his dad did get to go to Success in Chicago. And supposedly that was the first store that released them, and they kind of had private session where they got to go and see the shoe, and as well as they was able to talk to Eric. He's one of the designers of the shoe, and Eric did say that this was the closest shoe that they made that resembles the authentic pair OG from 1985 in specs and overall shape and quality. So this is going to be some thick leather, which I guess that's where they're just trying to justify the higher retail price of $250, as well as it is, like my brother said, very limited, only coming out at 23 stores. It's rumored to have only 10,000 pairs. If you do the breakdown of that, it's approximately 400 pairs per store. And we know that some stores probably got more allocations than others. I did get an email from I'm a Manier. They do have 3 stores that are getting the shoe, and the way they make it seem like for their release, they will be doing a first come, first serve in store. So you will have to line up for that. But if you are near one of these stores, just check with them. We have released the store list where they're going to be available. You still need to see that list. Check out that video right there. So I know you're going to be rocking those, my brother, but are you going to copy a pair?
Nah, man, I'm not going. Hey, $250. That price point is too high. And why should I do that when I got these? Bam, bam. So why should I do that? Don't even make sense.
Yes.
Don't even make sense for me to do that when I got these. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't even make sense. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. And hey, drop us a comment if you like these. Drop us a comment if you like these.
Hey, I'm rocking those. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, will you be rocking these or drop. So moving on to the last shoe of the list. So on February the 14th, just to let y'all know, we do have the other Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. As you know, first pair did release on February the 8th. That was the Raphael and Donatello pair. So this pair will be the Michelangelo and Leonardo pair. And this releases at a price point of $135. I think this is a clean shoe for the babies and the kids. If you do like to wear unique basketball shoes, I think this is it. And just to add an added bonus, just to let you know, they're claiming that if you buy both pairs, that you will be eligible to get a unique shoe. It's called the Shredder. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerhead, did you grab you a pair of either one of these? But I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know, I like what they're doing there. You know, they keeping Ninja Turtles relevant, and I really like the shoe. It's a nice, clean shoe. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those as well. Drop us a comment if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe of the week on February the 15th. Again, this is a very packed week for February. We do have the Jordan 1 Black Toe reimagined. So this shoe was scheduled to release last year. However, it did get pushed back. There is a lot of controversy about this shoe. A lot of people were anticipating this pair to drop. Then they try to revert back to the old school. Instead of having the Wings logo on the side, it does have the Air Jordan, which some people are on the fence and do not like. So all the time when there's something that the sneaker community doesn't like, the shoe doesn't really do well. And this shoe is already performing on the retail. My size currently on StockX today is $177 before fees. But overall, I think this is the clean shoe. This is a classic colorway, and they are trying to make it go back to the OGs, hence the Air Jordan on the side. Predominantly the shoe is white. It does have black around the toe box. You do see white on the side panels, as well as that black swoosh on the side. Finishing off the wings, and the heel is done in red. The upper is done in black. We do see that midsole is aged out. And then if we look at the very bottom, we do see that red. So I do think that's a nice touch to bring the red back to the upper of the shoe. And looking at the toe box, we do see that standard Nike Air on the tongue. And I do think this is a nice shoe. I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm glad they're going back to the original colorway. You know, it really makes sense. I will be rocking those as well. I just don't understand the controversy. You know, sneakerheads, hey, let's just keep it simple. You know, but like I agree with you 100% when they say it's a controversy. So they pushed your shoe back because they don't think it go perform well, right? But Jordan Brand, just drop the shoe anyway. Just go ahead and drop the shoe anyway. But I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
Peace.